whenever, I've instructed students about going through paper trading and stuff, it's more of to kind of learn the software and to learn everything except for execution. Because execution, it's all based upon, it's not real world. It's all based on their software that they've put in of how they fill trades in a paper trade mode, which, to be honest, I have no idea, and I've never trusted because it was never, ever real world.
Right.
It's great. Paper trading is great, in TOS for being able to understand how the system works. But as far as execution price, it is completely not reliable at all, period.
Right, in either direction. If it pulled off and you got it filled at $4, that's not reliable either. So,
yeah, whenever I'm going through that, it's more of just as an exercise to say, okay, the mid price was $6.50, and if you're just trying to show somebody, or you're just trying to understand, well, what happens when you fill it? Well, and you might have to go just increasing it until their software says, okay, let's take it, but it has nothing to do with a real world negotiation at all.